Welcome to iPray. Let's pause for a moment and pray for the victims who lost their homes and their loved ones caused by the storms and hurricanes. May God give these victims protection and a safe recovery. Jesus, help us. Protection from storm and hurricane. Jesus, help. This disaster is engulfing us. We are overwhelmed. We cry out to you for help. We anxiously seek your protection and refuge as the ruthless forces of nature threaten to destroy us. We humbly ask you to subdue this fierce danger. Jesus, help us. When the winds and the waves rise, and we cringe in terror, we cry out to you in our distress, knowing you can calm the storm to a whisper and still the waves. Jesus, help us. Protect our home and our family from damages from the elements. You are our hiding place from the storm and the rain. You are our shelter and our covering. Please keep all those affected by the hurricane or storm safe. Surround them with your love, protection, and angels. Let them know there are millions of us out here praying for them and their loved ones. Jesus, help those waiting to be rescued. Keep them safe and bring help to them soon. We all pray for those leading the rescue and recovery efforts. Grant them the strength and endurance they will need for the weeks and months ahead. Assure them that you are pleased with their efforts to seek and save. Jesus, help those recovering from property damage and loss. Be with those traumatized by the hurricane and storm's wind and rising waters. Be with those left without power, kids left without school, communities left without essential services. Jesus, help us turn our fear into praise of your goodness. Guard us from harm during this storm and renew our faith to serve you faithfully. I rely on your grace, your mercy, and your love. Amen.